Hello my students, welcome to the chemistry practical work number 1 titled, Lab Safety Rules and Equipment. Firstly, the objectives of this practical work are to recognize the safety instructions to follow in a chemistry laboratory, then, to identify the risks of chemical products, and to list the different glassware and their uses. Lab safety is crucial for ensuring personal safety, protecting the environment, and achieving accurate experimental results. Lab safety rules help prevent physical injuries, such as burns from chemicals, cuts from broken glass, or inhalation of dangerous fumes. Wearing goggles safeguards your eyes from harmful splashes and flying debris, while gloves provide essential protection for your hands against hazardous substances. Careful handling and disposal of chemicals prevent pollution and contamination. Labs often work with substances that, if improperly disposed of, can harm the environment. Safety protocols lead to more organized work, reducing chaos in the lab. This makes experiments run smoother, with fewer mistakes and mishaps. When safety is followed, the risk of contaminating samples or making errors is minimized, leading to more reliable experimental results. Now let's learn the safety rules that must be followed in the chemistry laboratory. Dress code for the lab is an important rule. You have to wear goggles to protect your eyes. Lab coats protect clothes from chemicals. Closed-toe shoes are a must. Tie back long hair and avoid loose clothing. These are some general safety rules. Always follow teacher instructions. Never eat or drink in the lab. Keep workspaces clean and clutter-free. Know where safety equipment is located. To be safe from chemical reagents, you have to read labels carefully on the bottle. Do not touch, taste, or smell chemicals unless instructed. Handle acids and bases with care. Use the fume hood when working with volatile substances. Danger pictograms are standardized symbols used to convey information about the hazards associated with chemicals and substances. These symbols are crucial for ensuring safety in laboratories and workplaces. Here's an overview of common danger pictograms and their meanings. Exploding bomb pictogram indicates explosive materials or self-reactive substances. Flame pictogram indicates flammable materials, self-heating substances, and pyrophoric materials. Flame over circle pictogram, oxidizing agents. This symbol indicates substances that can cause or enhance the combustion of other materials. Oxidizers can react vigorously with flammable substances, increasing the risk of fire or explosion. Gas cylinder pictogram represents gases under pressure, which may explode if heated. Corrosion pictogram signifies materials that can cause skin corrosion or serious eye damage. Skull and crossbones pictogram represents toxic substances that can cause death or acute toxicity. Health hazard pictogram, meaning, indicates substances that may cause serious health effects, such as carcinogenicity or respiratory problems. Exclamation mark pictogram indicates irritants, sensitizers, and substances that may cause acute toxicity or environmental hazards. Environmental hazard pictogram represents substances that may pose a threat to the environment, particularly aquatic life. In case of an accident, you have to know the place of this safety equipment, first aid kit, and fire extinguisher for putting out fires, eye wash station, for chemical splashes in eyes, and emergency shower, for larger chemical spills on body. Move to the common lab equipment. Here's a list of common laboratory equipment, along with brief descriptions of their purposes. Pipette is used for transferring small amounts of liquid. Graduated cylinder is used for precise measurements of liquids. Beaker is a container used for holding and mixing chemicals. Funnel is used to direct liquid or powder into a small hole. Test tube are used to store, mix and observe small amount of solid or liquid samples. Round bottom flask is useful in observing chemicals and heating solutions. Washing bottle is used for rinsing glassware or dispensing solvents and distilled water. Erlenmeyer is useful in titration process and also useful in mixing because there is a low chance of spill. Pipette bulb. This equipment allows the collection and transfer of liquid samples. Burette is used to dispense precise volumes of liquid, typically in titrations during chemistry experiments. Volumetric flask is used for preparing and diluting solutions to an exact volume. Spatule is used to moving powders or small solid samples from one container to another. Stand lab is used to hold and support various apparatus during experiments. Buchner filter flask is used to separate solid precipitates from a liquid solution. Watch glass can hold solids for observation, weighing, or mixing. Balance is used in laboratories to measure mass with high accuracy. Digital stirring hot plate is used to mixing solutions and used to heat liquids in beakers or flasks for various chemical reactions. Fume hood is used in laboratories to protect users from inhaling hazardous fumes, vapors, and dust. Finally, oven is used for drying, sterilizing, or curing materials. In case of an accident in the laboratory, it's crucial to respond promptly and effectively to ensure safety for everyone involved. Here's a step-by-step guide on what to do. Stay calm and inform the teacher immediately. Follow the emergency procedures. Use the eye wash or shower if necessary. Evacuate the lab if needed. Finally, we have reached the end of this practical work. Thank you for listening. We will meet in the next class.